Your Minn Kota Raptor shallow water anchor comes equipped with bypass valves that allow you to move the Raptor up and down manually. Today we'll be showing you how to complete all the steps to this process. You have the option of removing power from the pump before you begin. If you choose to do this, then you do not need to put the pump into maintenance mode. To manually move the Raptor while power is still on, it is important to first put the hydraulic pump into maintenance mode. If you're doing this on land, you'll first need to start by deploying the Raptor so that the end of the spike is just above the ground. Now, to put the pump into maintenance mode, press and hold the pair maintenance button on the pump. The pump will beep 3 times and the blue LED will illuminate solid, confirming that the pump is now in maintenance mode. It is important to note that while in maintenance mode, as a safety precaution, the system will disable all controls of the pump, including the pump itself, its remotes, or any other devices that may have been paired to it. Whether you've removed power from the pump or you've put the pump into maintenance mode, you may now proceed with opening the bypass valves. Included with your Raptor system, you should have received a pressure wrench that you will use for opening the bypass valves. To do this, start by removing the 2 acorn nuts on the side of the manifold marked with the letters BP. Remove these by turning them counterclockwise. Set these aside for reinstallation later. Next, using the flat screwdriver end of the pressure wrench, turn the 2 bypass valves 1 full turn in the counterclockwise direction. It's important to note that turning these beyond a full turn will not increase the amount the valves are open, so 1 full turn is sufficient. Once you've done this, the Raptor mechanism is now free to be manually moved up and down as needed. Once you no longer need to have the bypass valves open, go ahead and close the bypass valves by turning them in the clockwise direction. Make sure not to over-tighten these, but ensure that they're snug. Next, replace the acorn nuts on top of each of the bypass valves. Tighten these securely into place. If you have a torque wrench available, tighten these up to approximately 120 inch-pounds. These will help to ensure that the bypass valves remain locked in their closed positions. If you removed power from your system, go ahead and restore power now. Otherwise, you can now take the hydraulic pump out of maintenance mode by pressing and holding the pair maintenance button on the pump. The pump will beep 3 times to confirm that it is now out of maintenance mode, and the blue LED will turn off. At this point, it's a good idea to check your fluid levels to ensure there were no fluid losses during this process. You may also want to operate the Raptor up and down a few times to purge any air that you may have introduced into the system. For more information and instructional videos, be sure to visit our website at minnkotamotors.com and find us on YouTube under Minn Kota Motors.